Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video here on the Hyperliquid launch. The biggest launch this year, I think. Biggest airdrop at the very least. Already at the moment, I have the Hyperliquid chart itself actually to the left right here. Already the volume is at over $200 million, even though it launched 2 hours ago. So ridiculously bullish. Personally, I got a nice airdrop. And when I saw my airdrop size, and I did not even have many points, I knew some people would have massive airdrop. I know some people that got over $1 million in this airdrop. Extremely bullish, and the price is still holding up. I cannot do a price analysis because it's so early that there's no chart available yet. Because it's also not listed on any major exchange here, except for Hyperliquid, which is a major exchange right now, and Gate.io, but I think that was pre-market. But so far, just wanted to talk about the launch a little bit and just in general what to expect. I think this is still undervalued. It's right now sitting at a $1.26 billion market cap. If you look at all the statistics that Hyperliquid has as a platform, it's more bullish than that. All right, fully diluted value is at 4 billion. Still, fully diluted value is just it's a meme, all right? Because there's nothing going to VCs, and there's nothing going to centralized exchanges. You have a lot of people getting hundreds of thousands of dollars in an airdrop, and the price, I can see the price to the left right here. Prices, and you can see it here as well. It's holding up well, all right? There's a lot of selling going on. There's a lot of buying going on as well. The exchanges have run out of USDC, so you cannot, or at least on most exchanges, you can actually not withdraw USDC to Arbitrum. So there's a huge supply shock going on as well of people that want to get into Hyperliquid but cannot due to supply constraints. But there's still enough to actually hold up the price right here. Hyperliquid itself, as you can see, has gained in TVL in the last 2 days a total of almost $200 million in dollars locked on Hyperliquid, in liquidity pools, in whatever. And it's summed up very, very nicely by CC2. Earlier users were rewarded, organic users were rewarded, 31% goes to the airdrop or has gone to the airdrop. There is an ecosystem on there. They have a platform that works. I personally, that's also how I got the airdrop. I used it when exchanges were banned in my country. I used their decentralized exchange, and their decentralized perpetual exchange works amazing. So that whole combination leaves me to be very bullish on Hyperliquid. All right, I think it's just a matter of time before all the major exchanges are going to list this, at least on perpetual futures, on Binance, Bybit, Qcoin, whatever. Maybe even a Coinbase listing, I think, is a possibility for Hyperliquid. So I'm very hyped up for this. And like I said, price right now is holding up relatively well. It's actually a little bit lower than this. Yeah, it's 3.88, but price is holding up relatively well. Volume is increasing here. Exchange listings are coming up. So that actually means that exchanges, they actually have to buy the tokens, I think, to get them. They actually do have some sort of a reserve, but no, I mean, exchanges have to get these. When exchanges actually do get this, that supply shock, or at least that scarcity that's going on right now, because a lot of people cannot buy Hyperliquid, cannot buy Hype, will turn into people are able to buy in. There's a lot of FOMO going on right now. They can buy in. So personally, I still think this can be a 10x. I know that sounds crazy, but the market circumstances right now are still great. Market circumstances are great. Like I said, the launch so far was great. So the sentiment for Hyperliquid is good. And it's a real project, all right? It's a real project that actually gets in revenue, that actually has utility. So I know it sounds crazy to ask for a $40 billion fully diluted valuation and a $14 billion market cap, but I think it's possible. And I think especially on the short term, this is still going higher. Personally, I'm also still holding my airdrop. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think is most likely. It has just launched, so just after launch and post-launch, it's always quite volatile, and it's difficult to kind of see what's going on. If you want to trade this, if you want to buy in long term, I think right now is good. Even though we can have drawdown, if you want to trade this, I would wait for the price to settle a bit. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.